Hello guys, this is Mike from Inspire to Rise, and today we are going to talk about Echo Show 8. Echo Show 8 2nd Gen is an upgrade of Amazon's best-selling Echo Show. The new Echo Show 8 has an 8 inches HD screen with adaptive color for a better display experience, an improved 13-megapixel camera and dual stereo speakers for clear, balanced sound. It comes with dual stereo speakers and an 8 inches HD screen. The new Echo Show 8 delivers a better entertainment experience than before. Alexa-enabled devices can be controlled with Echo Show 8. Using Alexa-enabled camera to remotely monitor your home and view live video feed on Echo Show 8. Additionally, one can watch camera feed from Echo Show 8's camera on your smartphone or other Echo Show devices too. The improved 13-megapixel camera with auto-framing feature can pan and zoom to make sure you and your family are always in frame. With Echo Show 8 you can set timers and reminders, pay mobile and electricity bills, get weather updates, cook along to your favorite recipes, catch up on latest news, and much more. You can use Facebook photos to turn your home screen into a digital frame and put your memories on display. The adaptive color display on Echo Show 8 makes your photos look great in any light. Being an Amazon device, one can simply ask for your favorite TV series or movies from Amazon Prime Video and Netflix, or ask Alexa to play your favorite music from Amazon Prime Music, Spotify, JioSaavn, Apple Music, Hangama Music or Gaana. Alexa will now also show you music playlists or station recommendations based on the song playing on Amazon Prime Music or Spotify, making it easier to discover your next favorite artist or song. You can also sing along to your favorite songs with on-screen lyrics from Amazon Prime Music. So guys, this was it for this video. Do subscribe to Inspire to Rise for more such videos in the near future. Stay inspired to rise.